Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, rock stars. In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero World Tour without a microphone for the vocal sections. While the game usually expects you to sing, there's a clever workaround. This trick lets you bypass the need for actual singing, allowing you to progress through the vocal career and unlock those challenging achievements. It's a simple, effective way to enjoy the full game experience, even if you don't have a mic or prefer not to sing. The core of this method involves using a common household item, a fan. To set it up, simply position your game's microphone directly in front of a box fan. Make sure the fan's airflow is consistently directed at the microphone's input. For the best results, you'll want to set your fan to a medium or high speed. This consistent air movement will be key to tricking the game into thinking you're singing. So how does this work? The fan's steady, continuous airflow creates a consistent sound that the game's microphone picks up. The game interprets this constant noise as a sustained vocal performance, allowing you to hit notes and score points without uttering a single word. While it can work on other settings, this trick is most effective and reliable when you play the vocal tracks on beginner difficulty, ensuring smooth progression. Using this fan trick, you can easily complete all the vocal career paths and unlock any associated achievements, making your game progression much smoother. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can simply focus on playing the guitar or drum parts, completely bypassing the vocal sections. This allows you to enjoy the full, immersive band experience of Guitar Hero World Tour, exactly the way you want to play it, without ever needing to pick up a microphone to sing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.